Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Threads account permanently from your PC. So open your preferred web browser and go on and log into your Threads account from their website. So this is the main page and should look somewhat similar to yours. So now what you're going to do is on the left side of the main page, you're going to click on this symbol right there on the bottom left and click on settings. Now you're going to go to the account tab and look for this text right there, deactivate or delete profile. Click on it and you should be greeted with this, right? So if you deactivate the profile, it will just suspend or hibernate your account, so you can come back later and let's say reactivate again. But if you select delete profile, it will delete your Threads account permanently. Look at this, delete your profile is permanent. So yeah, yada yada yada, you get it. So if you click on delete profile, it will permanently delete your account. So again, you need to give some the password and usernames and all that stuff to it, and that's how you do it. So if this content helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.